Good morning, everybody. This is your weather woman, meteorologist Amy Metz. We do have huracán Julia ahora in Nicaragua with wind speeds 100 miles per hour with the wind gusts. So that's 160 kilometers per hour on wind gusts. Otherwise, we're looking at sustained wind speeds of 85 miles per hour. And the storm did end up going exactly where I was forecasting yesterday. I'm saying this so that you know you can trust my forecast. Please go ahead and ask questions if you have them anytime. I've been focusing specifically on hurricanes, tropical storms around the world for years. And so I take this very seriously, the forecasting of this. So this is going where I had suggested it would, Pearl Lagoon area, affecting these islands. So some of these do not have roads to the mainland. Norte del Ojo, más peligroso. So the waves are going to be taller, stronger, more flooding north of the eye wall here. And that's going to be pushing water into these coastal areas. Also, lloviendo en las montañas. Luego es más agua. So we're going to have more water sitting here for a couple of days. También lloviendo más macho. I'm going to say more strong there. The winds are going to be increasing their speed as they go up and down the mountain slopes. So, and expect this to be probably the worst around the mountains. We're going to see some possible mudslides because there will be so much rain. The mountains cause more rain. Más lloviendo en las montañas siempre. So, aunque más peligroso en las montañas. More power outages, more trees down as possible where we're going to have those heavier rains. And also the winds, they go upslope and downslope winds is a term that we use to talk about how the winds will speed up as they go up and down mountains. So effects are going to feel tropical storm for most, except for people in this red zone where el rojo más peligroso para personas en la playa, más tormentas, more of the flooding, more of the heavy rains right here along the coastline. So very quickly this will decrease, but do expect peligrosa en las montañas siempre, luego aquí. So we're going to be having these problems along the mountains all the way until the storm does get all the way into the Pacific. At that point, it will be affecting Mexico. I do believe this will get a little closer to Mexico. So, ¿cómo se? Deseo, not that I hope. I forget how to say I think that. Yo pienso la tormenta estaré allí, no aquí. So, en la futura, I do believe the storm's going to go a little bit closer to Guatemala, which would mean then that Mexico and other areas later would have a higher chance for some more flooding later on. So I'll be talking more about that extended forecast later. But for now, what I want to show you before I leave then real quick is these steering winds. This is what I use to decide one of the strong factors on where these storms will go. So what we have here is this force that's going to push it away from Mexico if it interacts. So right now, this batch is what will come and collide with that. A day from now, the model shows that, these will get kind of close to each other, and that will help pull it up toward the north. I do believe that's going to happen maybe a little bit later. So perhaps this could end up affecting Mexico more, Mexico City a little stronger than what we're seeing suggested right now. I believe that. I'll go ahead and update this as things continue changing, evolving as the storm makes its way into the Pacific. That will be much more clear. So best wishes to everybody. Stay safe. I'll leave this streaming on with the wind speeds and everything, but not for long because I'm going to have to work soon. So I'll update this in a little bit. Para ahora necesito trabajo para una televisión también. Entonces, ¿cómo se? La película. It will be streaming live. Palabras, no sé. Algo. There's some more I want to learn. So I'll be continuing to practice my Spanish. I do have plenty of people I can practice Spanish with, and it's been years since I tried doing it, but I always had a dream of forecasting in Spanish. So here we are. I'll just go ahead and try Spanglish back and forth. So, adios amigos, hasta luego. ¿Cómo se? It's your weather woman, meteorologist Amy Metz. Meteorólogo. I think that's it. Meteorólogo Amy Metz. I'm getting better at that word. So, I'll talk to you guys later.